CBSE Grade 6, Chapter 7, Supplementary Reader, The Wonder Called Sleep Solution. First, we'll see the summary. The wonder called sleep. Summary. Sleep is a state of unconscious rest. Our day's activities causes tiredness. A good sleep provides rest to our body and mind. When we sleep, our body recovers from exertion. This is the most obvious advantage of sleep. Many things happen to us during sleep. We forget most of those happenings when we wake up. Sometimes we remember a dream. Our muscles relax more and more when we enjoy a sound sleep. Our heartbeat becomes slower. Our blood pressure and temperature go down then. The brain also slows down. We cannot think or act consciously. These things become normal when we wake up. Sometimes we dream during sleep. We forget most of our dreams by the time we wake up. Dream is an important activity of the mind. It enables us to sleep even through noisy disturbances. Our dreams mostly reveal our problems. They also provide a solution of the related problems. But we must remember one thing: dreams can never tell the future. Sleep has wonderful powers. It transports us into a strange land. We forget even our near and dear ones then. Sleep is the sweetest and most common experience, so it is rightly called a wonder. Question answers. What is the most obvious advantage of sleep? The most obvious advantage of sleep is that it gives rest to our tired body. After a good sleep, we become alert and active again for the day's work. What happens to our body when we sleep? When we sleep, our body gets much needed rest. Our muscles relax, our heartbeat slows down, our blood pressure also falls. Define a dream in your own words. A dream is an activity of the mind that takes place when we are asleep. Why are dreams important? Mention two reasons. Dreams are important for two reasons. They help us sleep in spite of noise and other disturbances. Some dreams provide a solution to certain problems. The fifth question is, why has sleep been called a wonder? Sleep has been called a wonder because nobody knows for certain what brings about sleep. Secondly, it transports us to a strange land. It is the sweetest thing in the world. It is a sort of escape from reality. Describe briefly to the class an improbable dream you have ever had. I had a very funny and uncommon dream last night. I saw two bulls locking their horns in the street. They fought fiercely. The people kept at a safe distance. One of the bulls fell to the ground. The other began to goad him with its horn. I kept on watching on their activities for a while. When I noticed the fallen animal in serious trouble, I intervened. I fired the air gun. It raised a thundering sound. Then I shouted to the bull to stop fighting. It left its victim and walked away. Now, very short answers. Why does the author define sleep? Sleep is a. How does the author define sleep? Sleep is a state of rest. Why is it necessary to enjoy sound sleep? Sleep gives rest to our body. After a good sleep, we feel fresh, alert, and active. What happens when we are asleep? We start dreaming, the muscles relax, body temperature falls, the heartbeat becomes slower, a ever active brain also slows down. What is a dream? Dream is an activity of the mind that takes place only when we are asleep. Are all our dreams probable or improbable? Some dreams are probable. It means that many of the things that happen in dreams could happen when we are awake. But other dreams are improbable. What is the one thing that dreams can never tell? Dreams can never tell the future. What have certain doctors found about dreams? Certain doctors think that our dreams can provide a key to the solution of problems. Why does the author call sleep a wonder? Sleep is a good tonic. The body and brain recover from weariness after a good sleep. Sleep is a state of rest. When we wake up, we feel fresh, become alert, and ready for the normal activities of the day. During sleep, our muscles relax and heartbeats become slower. Sleep is the most common experience, but very few people know how wonderful it is. What is the significance of dream? What is a dream? We have strange, funny, and ever frightening dreams as we sink into sleep. The brain can't think or act consciously when we fell asleep. Some dreams are believable and could happen when we are awake. But most of them are absurd. Dreams are important because they help us to sleep through noise even. Some doctors say that one dream can suggest solution to one's problem or tell the future. But this is not wholly true. Sleeping comes so naturally to me. I could do it with my eyes closed. So I love to sleep. Everybody loves to sleep. Thank you, children.